It's coming home, it's coming, football's coming home. Wow. It might be coming home, it might not be. You guys will be watching this, or not watching this. Yeah, mostly not best time to release a video, 7 o'clock on a Wednesday when we're in a semi-final. For the guys that watch football, I'm sure a few of you don't. I don't normally, but I'm starting to, as always, I'm always behind England, you got to be. So that's what it is. So yeah, so maybe you're watching this in the half time, during the half time, at the end, right at the 7 o'clock. So we might have brought it home, we might have won, we might not have done. So anyway, that's enough about football. So yeah, we're going to crack on with this the front end done, I think. Yeah, I think we're nearly there. So we'll get the bonnet, make sure the bonnet's sort of fitting, and do a few bits and bobs to try and get it welded on. And if we get the front end welded on, as I said, Nathan's got the spot weld at the moment. It's not an issue though. We can get it back onto the spit, and that will allow us to do the cross member. And we need to do something with that roof as well. I need to cut it up or do something with it. It's bloody in the way now. I've got the section I needed. So anyway, let's get the door open. Let's crack on with this front end. Okay, so front end's it's just going to be a combination now of just pushing, shoving, clamping, trying to get the best fit we can all around. Again, I'm not a perfectionist, so it's always a compromise. You could do so much to these front ends, cutting them, changing them, using genuine wings, all sorts. But even genuine ones all need a bit of fettling. So yeah, we'll get some clamps on, get some tacks in, we'll double check the bolts, tightened up, and yeah, see how we go. Yeah. So I might just drill some holes just in these front panels here, just so we can get some plug welds on. And then yeah, we'll just see how we go. Yeah, looking good. Alright, let's crack on. Oh, that's the front end. A good few tacks on. Already started playing about, so we had a paddy. But yeah, I tried the bonnet on. Not perfect, but it will work. So that's all good. I've never seen a Mk1 bonnet fit very well at the front anyway, but as standard. Obviously if you customise it and cut it. So if a big truck coming past. Anyway, so what I might think about trying to do is getting it back on the spit now, because I think it'll be a hell of a lot easier trying to get to those inner panels if I can rock the car up onto its side or something. Yeah, it's where the front panel's got those like little tongues on it that go onto the inner wings. So yeah, that's what I'm going to try and do next. So yeah, let's see if we can get it back on the spit and see how it works. See if we've got any bolts left over from wherever this spit was. Oh, pardon me. Let's have some water. Yeah, so I don't know if it's going to work, but I've managed to bolt it through the subframe, my purpose-built spit roast. So yeah, I'm thinking it'd be nice just to keep the subframe in while I'm doing the front end still. Obviously, we'll make the car a bit heavier to roll, but it's all getting heavier every time. Once we put all the floors in and doors on it, it's all getting a bit heavier each time. So it'll be a real test for my thing. Obviously, I've lost a couple of bolts to go in the floor, which hold the post down, and also my U-bolt that's supposed to be there. So yeah, we'll have a look for them. Yeah, you know what I'm like, very tidy. Alright, let's keep looking. Okay, let's see if I'm strong enough to lift this onto the spit. Not in my favour too much. Hey. It's obviously just on the trolley a little bit, so we go to the back end and see if we can just lift it off a little bit and go from there. Okay, it's on the spit, but slight technical issue. It looks like, obviously, if you remember, I made one high slight higher than the other, so it's not perfect. It's rolling. I've just got the pallet still underneath at the moment, so we might have to swap the posts around or pack one post up if it can't go all the way around, or what we can do is we can take the car out, put it back in and put it in the other way. Now we've sort of got the front end done. Anyway, so move the camera on last time, so we're nearly getting there. It's all nearly looking, you know, pieces are coming into place. I don't know how well you can see because obviously it's quite all a bit close. I need a better camera. What I did try with that wide angle a while ago. So anyway, front end's on, tacked on, just needs to be fully welded. Doors, so A panels need finishing off and welding down the edges. Rear pockets just got to be welded. Seat cross members got to be welded in. Inner wing fixed on this side. I think the back of the car's pretty much sorted, the boot area, and then obviously we just got the roof to do next. So yeah, we'll get it cleaned up a bit. See if we can get it rolled over a little bit. It's getting a little bit heavy now with all the stuff on it now. A lot more metal than rust. But yeah, it's starting to look like a Mini again. Oh, it'll be so good once we get it in paint, just so we can sort of go, oh look. Got to do the fuel line and brake line brackets that go underneath. You know, they're like little tab things that we need to put on. And then we'll do the rain drips, the gutter drips as well. I think we'll do that when we're doing the roof as well. Hopefully that should all be possible. But we'll go from there. Anyway, that's it. Gonna go have some dinner with my wife now. Take her out. So yeah, hope we went well with the football. Anyway, it's not the end of the world. It'd be nice if we did win, but that's life, isn't it? So yeah, all good. Have a good time. Hopefully you enjoyed it still.